what advantage did you want to secure by engaging Chief Bugri Nabu?
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Now I've gotten the question very clear.
Yeah.
Very clear. Mr. Chairman, my going to Mr. Bugri Nabu was through his own invitation, and the purpose was that the current IGP, the probability that they are going to change him is high, and they are looking for somebody who can do the job and do it well.
Whose thinking was that? Who was thinking like that? Is it Bugri Nabu who invited you?
Mr. Chairman, maybe when I complete my statement, you will get the answer from what I'm going to say.
No, but I want to understand your premise. If not, I'll lose the conclusion. Let me find out from you. You are testifying that you didn't go to Bugri Nabu, he invited you. And what was the purpose of his inviting you?
Mr. Chairman, that is what I was going to say.
Yes.
The purpose of me going to Mr. Bugri Nabu inviting me was that one of my boys, the police officers, have gone to tell him that if they are looking for a new Inspector General of Police, then the man that he thinks can do the job and do it well is Commissioner George Alex Mensah. And Bugri Nabu said, "Oh, is that so? Then bring him and let me see him." That is why I ended up at Bugri Nabu's